Hey, what's good, everyone? We're back with a new review, man. As y'all can see at the DQ, they have dropped the new July Blizzard of the month, man. The new cake batter cookie dough blizzard. Hey, I love sweets and I love ice cream, and cake batter and cookie dough, that just it sounded I couldn't pass it up. But it's brand new, man. It's gonna be July's Blizzard of the month. Y'all know how I do it. No more talking, man. Oh my goodness. Hey, man. Hey, it tastes like cake batter. The one that you let your mom be like, hey man, who wants to lick the bowl? And the cookie dough, it sets it off, man. It's good. Chef's kiss, man. Man, hey, y'all have to come try it. If y'all have a DQ around, y'all have to come try it. New cake batter cookie dough blizzard, man. I rate this blizzard a 9 out of 10. Come pull up and y'all have to come try it. Hey, thank y'all for watching. And hey,